Imagine an ancient structure so large that it can only be fully appreciated from space, a formation so mysterious that it has sparked countless theories about its origin. Welcome to the Richat Structure, also known as the Eye of the Sahara, a place that defies explanation and holds secrets that challenge our understanding of history. This geological marvel, located in the heart of the vast and unforgiving Sahara Desert in Mauritania, North Africa, has puzzled scientists, adventurers, and historians for decades. With its massive size, near-perfect concentric circles, and unearthly appearance, the Richat Structure is unlike anything else found on Earth. Stay tuned as we delve into the shocking discoveries and tantalizing facts about this enigmatic landmark. Hello, explorers, welcome back to your ultimate destination for unraveling the mysteries of history and uncovering the world's most fascinating discoveries. Today, we're journeying deep into one of Earth's most extreme and least hospitable environments to explore a natural phenomenon that is as captivating as it is perplexing, the Richat Structure. Buckle up, because this is one adventure you won't want to miss. Let's start with the basics. The Richat Structure, or as it's poetically known, the Eye of the Sahara, spans an impressive 40 kilometers in diameter. That's roughly the size of a small city. It's so large that it cannot be fully recognized from ground level. It wasn't until astronauts began capturing images from space that the full majesty and scale of this feature were revealed. Early satellite photographs taken during the Gemini and Apollo missions in the 1960s and 1970s showed a mysterious circular formation embedded in the desert landscape, instantly grabbing the attention of the scientific community and sparking widespread curiosity. But what exactly is it? For years, scientists debated its origin. Initially, many believed it to be an impact crater formed by a colossal meteorite collision. After all, its circular symmetry and central uplift bore resemblance to known craters. However, as more geological data and on-site surveys were gathered, this theory was ultimately debunked. The Richat Structure, it turns out, is not the result of an extraterrestrial impact, but rather a deeply eroded elliptical dome of sedimentary rock that dates back to the late Proterozoic era, about 1 billion years ago. That's older than most of the continents as we know them today. So, how did this mysterious structure form? The prevailing theory suggests that it was created by a combination of complex geological processes, including the symmetrical uplift of rock layers due to subterranean magmatic activity, followed by millions of years of erosion by wind and water. Over time, the softer rock layers eroded faster than the harder ones, forming the distinctive concentric rings that define the Richat Structure's unique bullseye pattern. These layers, made of limestone, quartzite, and other sedimentary deposits, weathered at different rates, sculpting the hypnotic rings we see today. It's this unique pattern that makes the Richat Structure not only visually stunning but also scientifically significant, as it offers insight into geological folding and erosional dynamics on a planetary scale. Why is it called the Eye of the Sahara? From above, the Richat Structure resembles a massive, unblinking eye staring up from the sands of the desert. This eye-like appearance, combined with its enormous size and isolation in the vast, arid emptiness of the Sahara, gives it an almost otherworldly quality. It feels alien, like something carved into the earth by celestial forces. It's no wonder, then, that this natural wonder has ignited the imaginations of scientists, historians, spiritual seekers, and even conspiracy theorists alike. The Richat Structure was first documented in the 1930s, when it was mapped during French colonial geological expeditions in West Africa. However, it wasn't until the advent of space travel that its full scale and perfect symmetry were truly appreciated. When astronauts aboard the Gemini and Apollo missions looked down at Earth, they couldn't miss the glaring eye staring back at them from the desert. Its captivating perfection in shape and symmetry sparked a wave of scientific interest and led to decades of research aimed at understanding its origins. Given its mystery, myths and legends soon emerged. Some believe the Richat Structure could be the long-lost location of the fabled city of Atlantis. According to Plato's ancient descriptions, Atlantis was a city composed of concentric rings of land and water, a striking resemblance to the Richat Structure's appearance. While no direct archaeological evidence supports this theory, the similarities have been enough to keep the speculation alive. Others have gone even further, proposing it to be a landing site for extraterrestrial spacecraft, or the scar left behind by a cataclysmic meteorite. Although these ideas remain in the realm of speculation and pseudoscience, they add a layer of mystique and wonder to an already mesmerizing place. Scientific research and exploration of the Richat Structure have continued to deepen our understanding of Earth's past. Geologists and researchers have conducted numerous field studies to analyze its composition, age, and formation. One of the most surprising discoveries made in recent years was the presence of hydrothermal deposits and traces of ancient volcanic activity within the structure. This suggests that, at one time, the region may have hosted hydrothermal vents, possibly creating habitable environments for early microbial life. Such findings open new doors to the study of early life on Earth, particularly in extreme environments. Today, the most widely accepted theory is that the Richat Structure is a deeply eroded geologic dome. This interpretation is supported by the evidence of ancient volcanic rocks, gabbros, and intrusive igneous formations found beneath the structure. The stratigraphy of the Richat Structure shows alternating layers of sedimentary rock that curve upward, consistent with the uplift dome model. However, despite the progress made, the exact combination of events and conditions that led to its creation remains a topic of ongoing debate. There's still much we don't know about the forces that shaped it, about the potential ancient human presence in the region, and about the role it might have played in prehistoric times when the Sahara was not the barren desert it is today, but a green inhabitable landscape. Ultimately, the Richat Structure, this great eye of the Sahara, stands as a powerful symbol of the Earth's immense geological history and the limits of human understanding. Whether seen as a scientific puzzle, a remnant of lost civilizations, or simply a breathtaking quirk of nature, it reminds us how much there is still to learn about our planet. As technology advances and new tools allow us to explore remote areas like the Sahara in greater detail, who knows what other secrets the eye may reveal. One thing's for sure, this colossal formation continues to inspire awe, curiosity, and the unshakable feeling that perhaps, just perhaps, we've only scratched the surface of its true story. The combination of volcanic activity, uplift, and erosion over millions of years has created a natural wonder that continues to baffle and amaze scientists, the Richat Structure. Commonly known as the Eye of the Sahara, this breathtaking formation stands as a testament to the power of Earth's geological processes. With its massive, concentric rings and central dome, the Richat Structure has drawn not only the attention of geologists and researchers, but also the curiosity of adventurers and dreamers across the world. It is one of those rare places where science, history, and mystery converge in a hypnotic spiral of intrigue. Despite its remote location deep in the Sahara Desert, the Richat Structure has not been completely isolated from human activity. Archaeological evidence suggests that the area was once inhabited by ancient peoples who left behind stone tools and other artifacts. These findings imply that the Richat was not just a geological curiosity observed from afar, but a significant location for early human settlers. The ancient inhabitants may have been drawn to the area by its unique topography or perhaps its strategic significance as a navigational marker in the vast and otherwise featureless desert. Whatever the reason, their presence adds a human layer to a formation already rich with natural history. Today, the Richat Structure is a popular destination for adventurous travelers and passionate researchers. Explorers come from all over the world to marvel at its massive scale and intricate design. Standing on its rim or flying over it by drone, one cannot help but feel both dwarfed and inspired by this massive, ancient eye staring back from the desert floor. For scientists, it represents an opportunity to study millions of years of Earth's natural history revealed layer by layer in the formation's rings. For travelers, it is a place that feels otherworldly, more like a scene from a sci-fi movie than a corner of our own planet. However, conducting